In this video, I'm going to show you how to wash compression socks and to dry them. It's fairly simple to do. Yes, you can put them in a washing machine, and that's what I would recommend you do. But what you want to do is you want to put it on a light, like a delicate or a casual setting. You want the temperature to be cold. And if you have a mesh bag that you can put it in, something to where it won't stretch while it's in with the other clothes, that's preferable, but not necessary. All right, and so we'll go ahead and wash it. Okay, and in order to dry it, you want to make sure that you air dry it. You could just leave it hanging like this in an open area where there's a fan. If you have a dehumidifier, that's great, or a fan blowing on it. And then what you can do is halfway in the drying, go ahead and flip it inside out so you can dry the other side. But you don't want to put it in a dryer where it would warm by heat, because the heat is going to make it stretch, and the whole objective is to clean it and dry it without it stretching and losing its elasticity. All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.